Hello everybody, welcome to Thump Custom Bait Shop. We're gonna paint us a 5.6 inch shad glide bait today. We're gonna do it in a shad pattern. I'm gonna use some detail smoke black wicked paints. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, and subscribe like everybody else says. Really helps out grow the channel. So first we're gonna come over with some pearlized Createx pearl silver. Boys are going to be editing this video. They're real good at that stuff, so they've been ready for me to finish this thing so they can take this video clip and edit it up and do all the little cool stuff that everybody else is doing on YouTube. If you guys can see that on there now. See the pearls and that pearl silver. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Build up the channel, let you guys know we're here. We make custom baits, we do top water, divers, glide baits, we do hand-tied jigs for saltwater and fresh lures, jigs, saltwater, fresh. We can do it. Check us out up here at thumpcustombaits.com. You can see some more stuff. You'll probably see this on there after it's finished. Got any ideas on certain things you'd like to see on the channel, like to see me paint something, or you're looking for a particular style of bait, shoot me a message, leave something in the comments. satin gold. sushi roll is the color. It's kind of like a greenish gold red kind of shift. Okay guys, there's our 5.6 inch glide. It's a shad. It's going to be a reel down action. Give it that swimming, gliding action in the water. We did a shad pattern. We did pearl silver, a little pearl gold. Speckles, we did color shift on the top. I believe it was eye candy sushi roll was the name of that pigment. I hope you can see it over the camera. It looks great here. But you just wait till after the clear coat's done, the hard top coat, and it's really gonna pop then. But I want to say thanks to everyone that's hung in and throughout the video and watched us on our first one. I asked you to, subscribe so you get updates when we put out new ones. We're gonna start putting out multiple content, not only lure painting but anti-jigs, some of the things we do. Check us out on the website. Again, thanks a lot, and when you see it again, it'll be finished. Thanks again. All right, we're back in the shop. Here's our bait. It's a 5.6 inch glide bait, shad pattern. We did it in a black smoke, pearl silver, pearl gold, tiny bit of pearl white with a color shift across the top and down the shoulders. We put glass eyes in it. We've already got it dressed up with split rings and hooks. She's ready to go. I'm gonna give it a twirl around just to kind of let you see it as we go. I want to thank everybody for watching. I've learned a lot with the editing. The boys each did their own, and while they were off doing your own, I said, well, let me give it a shot. And I went on there and I tried to do, I did one, and of course it wasn't nowhere as near as great as what they had come up with. And so we watched all three. Then we sat down and we did like a collaboration together and created the video you're watching today. So that was really fun. Painting this here was also real fun. When I sat down, I didn't know exactly where I was going to go with it, and I'm really pleased where it turned up, and it's going to be hard to keep this one out my tackle box. I'm gonna pick it up and just see if I can get a little bit closer in, so maybe you can see a little more detail on the camera that we got going on here with our bait. Just bring it in. Another cool thing about this bait is it has a magnet built in the bait here. So once you make your cast and you start to reel it in, you'll see that the magnet, when you're reeling it in and the water's coming against it, it's going to naturally pull the hook back towards you. That hook's going to magnetize here, but not enough to where, when you get a bite, that it's going to keep it there. It'll be able to pull off, but also it's going to make a nicer presentation coming in as you work it and start to get your chopping pattern, your glide working in the water to entice those bass. It's going to come with a clear silicone tail. It's got flake in it that has a gold, silver, and black flake. I'm going to also send out a second tail with it, a darker tail. Has the same flake in it in case you decide you'd rather go with the darker version of it. You can choose which color tail you want on your bait. and then, you know, hang on to the other one in case over time it gets worn out or tore up from a great fight on the water with a trophy bass. Do recommend when you decide which one you want to put in, put a little glue down in your cavity, slide your tail in, and wipe off any excess glue that comes out. Let that dry and cure real good, and that'll give it some extra hold, you know, in there. It holds really well, but for me, I like to put a little super glue in there, you know, slide it in, and if it does get torn off, it's nothing you can't take a little pocket knife to and just get the rest out. Do the same thing with your spare. But yeah, turned out really nice, really nice. See if I can give you a close-up of this side. You can see, hopefully it's all showing up on the camera in it. But really liking the glass eyes in it. Glass eyes look really awesome. That shift on the back coming down, it's really good. So I want to thank you again for watching. We'll be putting out more content. Go to thumpcustombaits.com. You'll see this one up there. We'll see you next time. Bye.